Hey guys, welcome back to Esty. Today I'm going to show you guys how I package my Depop orders. So what I use to package my items. So I use these poly mailers and I get these from Ship It Supply on Etsy, and I really recommend them because they have so many different designs and they deliver so quickly. So another type of mailer that I use is I use bubble mailers. So I use these bubble mailers when I have an item that you want to be more secure. I got these bubble mailers, I think, from Office Depot. So I also sometimes use bubble wrap as well if I really want to make sure the item is secure. So another thing that I use is obviously the tape. So I used to use this tape from Office Depot, but then I realized at Walmart you can literally get this huge roll of Scotch tape for only $4. So the next thing that I use is I use these stickers. I got these stickers from Annie Kate on Etsy, and I really recommend these. Another thing that I use is old like brandy stickers. Sometimes I just have so many stickers from Brandy Melville, so I also put these in people's orders as well. So the next thing that you want to do is you're going to go to Depop and see which item that sold. In this case, this phone case I've sold, and basically we're gonna be packaging it. Is once it sells, I go to see which item sells, and then I also give them a kind of confirmation that like I see their order. So here's what I usually say, and then once I do that, I go to the Depop app and print the shipping label. And now we're gonna stick this to the actual mailer. Okay, so once my item is fully packaged with the shipping label, now I'm going to be packaging an actual phone case. What I will be using to package my item is I'm going to get some tissue paper. I usually like to add tissue paper when I'm sending phone cases. I just think this is like a really cute look to it. It's more exciting. Another thing I usually like to give are these tiny little butterfly clips. I just think these are really cute, and I try to do it to match the phone case. And since this one is purple, we're going to give her the butterfly purple one. Okay, so here is the phone case. Okay, so the next thing that I do is I kind of like to pick out like stickers that kind of go with the vibe. I have some of these that I kind of want to put in here. This one is kind of cute. Then I also want to give her one other sticker. So we might give her this one, Chill Since 73. So we're gonna give her these two stickers. So it's just this cute heart one, and then this Chill Since 73 one. Also the butterfly clip, and we're just gonna put it inside of here. So the next thing I do is I get a tiny piece of tissue paper, and I just put this at the top, so it just looks like cute, you know, when they first open it. I don't know if it's like kind of looks weird, but in my opinion I just think it's really cute. So now we're just gonna close up this. I always put one more strip of tape right here, and this is just to really secure it, because sometimes the adhesive doesn't always work, so it's just really good to put an extra piece of tape like this. Okay, so now that we have our package all packaged, we are now going to take this to the postal service. This is actually going to Brooklyn, New York. Today is currently Sunday, so I'm gonna be shipping this off tomorrow. The next clip is gonna be me actually dropping this off at USPS. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're wondering why I'm in a whole different outfit, it's because that last clip was filmed like a week ago and I totally forgot to film an outro, so I'm doing it now. I hope that you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!